Hello guys, welcome to the Cash Course, a platform, a channel where we turn tens to hundreds and hundreds to thousands. Well, you all know me, I don't like wasting time, so therefore, let's just dive into what brought us here. Well, the coin we are going to use today is called Super and it can be found on the hot section. As you all know, this is the normal Binance interface. Whenever you log into Binance, after you've changed your Binance to Pro, this is how your Binance is going to look like. So this is the favorites, this is the hots, this is the gainers, this is the losers, the new listing, and so on and so forth. So the coin is found on hot right here, and it is called Super. Here it is. After BNB, BTC, ETC, it's the it's the fifth coin. So we are going to dive into it and see what we can be able to get out of it today. So on the trade section, Super against USDT seems to be trading at 0.6106 per Super against USDT. So the arbitrage here is we are going to look at the 24 hours high and the 24 hours low, which is over here. Let me draw it in a way you will be able to see it clearly. This is the 24 hours high and 24 hours low, and this is the volume. This is the rate at which it has reached in the last 24 hours when it dropped, and this is the rate it has reached in the last 24 hours when it was up. So what we are going to do now is we are going to place our buy limit on close to where it dropped, and we are going to place our sell order a little bit below where it rose in the last 24 hours, and hopefully it is definitely going to reach the point where almost where it fell in the last 24 hours, and it's definitely going to reach the point where it rose in the last 24 hours. Don't worry if you don't understand, we're going to go through it together and you will see how it is. So in the last 24 hours it dropped to 0.5543. so what we'll do now is we will place our buy limit anywhere close to 0.5543. let's say we are going to buy at 0.5550. so what I did here is I did not place it exactly 5543 or below 5543 because I want my trade to the trade whenever it goes down to make sure it buys. Then we'll wait for when the coin appreciates and then sell even before it reaches 0.6397, which is yesterday's price. So what we are going to do now is we'll go to the buy section, and remember it was 0. Let me check. It was 0.5543 and the sell was 0.6397. so we are going to place our own order at 0.5550 and then our sell limit order at 0.6350. buy at 0.5550 and then sell at 0.6350. let's do that and see if there's going to be any profit in it. So we are going to buy at 0.5550 and we're going to buy worth of 100 USDT, and when we get to the sell section we are going to sell at 0.6350. guys, can you see we've got a whopping profit of 14 USDT. We've got a profit of 14 USDT right here. This isn't magic. This isn't you taking your crypto to another platform or triangle arbitrage. No, it's just spot exchange. You just buy when it's low and sell when it's high, and we are taking advantage of the volatility of the hot coins. Okay, there's no any magic attached to this. So guys, typically what I just did was to change the price per USDT. Okay, so this price per USDT, let me indicate it for you to see. This price per USDT is where we are going to tamper with the digits, the numbers. So when you place your trade on 0.5550, it will not execute. The trade will not execute. If you are to buy, for instance, an asset of 100 USDT, which is equivalent to 180 super token, it will not buy until it gets to 0.5550 worth of value in USDT. That is when it's going to buy. And based on what you've seen yesterday, it's reached 0.55, I'm sorry, 54 something. So it's definitely going to reach 0.5550 in the next 24 hours. And when it hits this limit, it is going to rise up. And the chances of it not getting to 0.6350, it's, let's say, very, very, very little. And this is spot trading, not futures trading. So your asset is safe. Whatever goes down will definitely get back up in the spot section. So after buying at this, you come here after your order has been filled, and then you change to 0.6350. So your order will not be filled, will not be executed until the trade rises up and hits this limit you've set, this new sell limit, and then you will be able to get your profit of $14. I hope this video helped. Please don't forget to like and subscribe so I can feel more motivated in doing my research and giving you genuine arbitrage opportunities. And the more you subscribe and like and comment for me to make a live video, the more I get more motivated to make a live video. I want to accumulate audience before actually making a live video. Thank you so much. I hope this helps. Ciao.